They say, when the rivers lost their breath and the earth cracked from thirst, the city of Anahid fell silent. The people raised their eyes to the sky, but no clouds ever came. That night, a nameless water-bearer rose from among them. In her dream, a voice whispered, "Deep within the mountain, the last flame still breathes. If it dies, the waters die with it." She journeyed through dust and darkness to the fallen temple of Anahita. In its heart, a single ember still glowed. She dipped her hand into water and said, "If life demands my soul, take it." The flame roared, the mountain trembled, and at dawn, the rivers awoke once more. They say Anahita opened her eyes again, but the girl was gone. Only light remained in a spring that still whispers her name.